Former President Donald Trump's legal team abruptly changed a surprising request to change the start date for the trial about how he handled classified documents in the immediate aftermath of his presidency. On Thursday, Trump's legal team had initially asked for an August 12 start date, which would represent a delay from the planned May 20 trial, but it would still come before the November presidential election. Katie Fung, an MSNBC reporter, posted on X on Friday that Trump's legal team clarified that it only sought the August date for evidentiary hearings, not the beginnings of the trial itself. They claim that Trump has other trials and campaigning to do, she wrote. The team is using the presidential campaign to justify the delay, arguing that Trump needs to spend his energy on the campaign trail and that holding the trial before November would be completely unfair. To this point, one of Trump's lawyers, Emil Bove, said the ex-president should not have even been in attendance at the hearing this past week, arguing that it was undercutting his ability to campaign ahead of the Super Tuesday primary voting day, according to the New York Times. Prosecutors are seeking a July 8 start date. The judge overseeing the case, Aileen Cannon, did not immediately rule on the start date. 4 months ago, she said she would be open to making reasonable adjustments to the start dates. Trump is facing 40 federal charges for how he handled sensitive materials that were found in his Mar-a-Lago estate in Palm Beach, Florida. Federal prosecutors have accused him of obstructing efforts to have them returned. Trump has pled not guilty to all of the charges. Legal experts told the magazine Newsweek that the goal for all of these legal requests is to delay the trial until after the November election, hoping that Trump will win and the case will be dismissed. Denny Salas, the senior vice president at Gotham Government Relations, told Newsweek, these instances have allowed Trump to concentrate on his campaign, prompting him to direct his legal team to exhaust all possible strategies to delay the document case in Florida. Similarly, the U.S. Supreme Court decided last week that it would hear Trump's arguments that he was protected by presidential immunity over charges that he interfered with the 2020 election. The court said it would hear the case on April 22, meaning it could decide in June. Regardless of how the court rules, it will take both legal teams months to adjust their cases, which would likely further delay the start date.